Hey guys, very welcome to Train with Janiani, a channel which helps you become more successful, more productive in all aspects of your life. And today I'm speaking to you about three things that rich are comfortable with. So if you ever thought, if you ever dreamt of being a very rich, very successful person financially, this video is going to teach you how to do that. So I've divided this video into three parts. So make sure you watch all the three videos, alright? So first thing that I want to dive deep into is this. Point number one, this is what rich people do differently from others and they are comfortable doing that. That first point is that I'm going to talk to you about in this video is being mean. Now rich people, okay, contradictory to what you might have seen on TV, in posters, these guys are rough, these guys are mean, which when I say mean, I don't mean a bad person. What I mean is that they know what they need and they are tough about that, they are strict about that, they are stubborn about that. Guys, if you're going to be soft, alright, what do I mean by being soft? If you will let people push you around, if you will let others take control of you, if you are not really confident, if you're not really sure and mentally strong, which means if you're not really mean, it will be tough for you to become successful, because the higher you go, the more you need to negotiate in life, and that means that you need to exactly know what you want. So talk about the pandemic, talk about the big decisions. Narendra Modi didn't come on stage on Mann Ki Baat and say that, do you want a lockdown? He just announced that, listen, we need a lockdown. That's me, okay? It just shuts everything off, but that's what he did. Donald Trump, okay, I'm going to take away jobs from other countries. I'm going to create a visa lockdown. This is before the whole virus bit. And that's what he did, which is what brought jobs to America. So these guys are mean. These guys are tough. They know what they're looking for, which is why they're successful. Stay tuned for tip number 2 and 3.